Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the files and preparing Preview for edits. Open one PDF or image, then drag additional files into the same window to combine them. Once done, show thumbnails so you can see each page. This makes reordering and deleting straightforward. Make sure to save a copy first if you need the originals. That protects your source files. Now that the document is loaded and thumbnails are visible, you're ready to select tools for markup, cropping, and rearranging pages. You'll now perform the core edits and annotations. Click the markup button to highlight text, add typed notes, draw shapes, or insert your signature. These changes explain why Preview is more than a viewer. For images, choose Tools Adjust Size to resize or Tools Rotate to fix orientation. To organize a multi-page file, drag thumbnails to reorder, delete unwanted pages with the Delete key, or insert scans using File Import from Scanner. When satisfied, use Export to choose format and compression settings. Finish by exporting and securing your document so it's ready to share. Use File Export to pick format, image quality, and where to save. Export as PDF when you need universal compatibility. If you need privacy, choose Export as PDF and enable Encrypt with a password to restrict access. If Preview refuses to save changes, make sure the original file isn't locked and that you have write permission. As a quick fix, save as or duplicate the file and redo the final step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.